Lesson number 3 or chapter number 3, Haroof-e-Muqatta'at. Huruf mean words and Muqatta'at mean Muqatta'at. Inshallah, I will try to explain the Muqatta'at. So, Haroof-e-Muqatta'at are disjointed letters, combination of few letters or alphabet that appears at the start of 29 surahs of the noble Qur'an, Holy Qur'an. Muqatta'at literally means shortened or abbreviated, but is explained as disjoint Arabic letter. So read them separately, not together, although they are written together. For example, Alif Lam Meem. So don't read this one like together Alam. We will read these letters now separately. That's why this is called Muqatta'at. We read these letters separately. That's why we call this letter Muqatta'at. So now read after me. And remember, this is the longer mud sign. Longer mud sign, and this is the shadda sign. I will try to explain the signs as well in next chapter, inshallah. Now read after me. Alif Lam Meem. Alif Lam Meem Sad. Alif Lam Ra. Alif Lam Meem Ra. Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad. We make it long, the longer mad for 4 seconds, and short and standing fatha for 1 second or for 1 alif. Okay. Taha. Tasim Mim. Tasin. Yaseen. Sad. Hamim. Hamim. Ain Sin Qaf. Qaf. Noon. Revise this lesson with yourself more than 5 or 10 times. Thank you for watching our videos.